Morning to every one of us. My name is Queens Ephraim Esmeralda, and my question is, or my topic is social media as a platform for language, learning, growing, or being. Discuss how digital platforms helps in English proficiency. We all know that English is really important that serve as a connector for bridging the gaps of every people with diverse language. And we can use to improve our English proficiency by using our technology as we are living in a contemporary world. And we can also use a different media, social media platforms to be a factors to learn more about on English. And let me discuss the negative and the positive effect. But for that, let me first discuss the positive effects of using a social media platform. First one is we can use it to enhance our English proficiency by searching or being engaged on different English words. As we all know, social media platforms often use a English. So being being always seeing different words on social media platforms, we will be aware on what would be uh, the right words that we are going to use when we are communicating and using English in different aspects. And for the negative aspects, I am saying that if we overly use or if we abuse our using social media platforms or we are using it in a wrongful way, so there's a possibility that we might be lack of time to study because being always focused on social media platforms or using cell phone without any reliant without any goals. So it will affect us to hinder our English learning. So to sum up, there are there are positive and negative effects of using social media platforms, but we must focus on the positive and use this knowledge to be aware on what are the things that we should avoid and what we need to do of using social media platforms to serve as a learning platforms to be more to be more um, to be more fluent in speaking English and using it in our everyday life. That's all. Thank you.